and B bar is equal to 3 a bar x plus 5 a bar y plus 2 a bar z and find the dot product and angle between two vectors. Okay, so this is homework for you. Everyone have to solve the example given for homework. Okay. Okay, everyone noted? एक्झाम्पल लिहून घेतलंय का सगळ्यांनी? Okay. Now we'll see the examples on scalar and vector projection. Okay, so write down the example. Given vector field G bar is equal to y minus 1 y minus 1 a bar x plus 2 x a bar y. Find this vector field at P of 2, 3, 1 and its projection on B bar is equal to 5 a bar x minus a bar y plus 2 a bar z. Okay. So everyone noted the example. So what is
Yes,
given?
ma'am.
Given the vector field G bar is equal to y minus 1 into a bar x plus 2x into a bar y. Okay. Now this vector is given. It has unit vectors, but there is no simple magnitude. Okay, like 2a bar x or 4a bar x. Okay, but here the coordinates are given, and what is asked, find this vector field at point P of 2, 3 and 1. This point P is given, and this point P has 3 coordinates, means these 3 coordinates are nothing but x, y and z coordinates in Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, now we have to find vector field of this G bar at point P. Okay, now how you will find? Just put values of x, y and z in the equation of G bar, so that you will get this G bar is equal to y minus 1. So what is y? Y is 3 minus 1 into a bar x plus 2 into, so what is x? X is equal to 2 into a bar y. Now there is no unit vector in direction of z. Okay. So this G bar is equal to 2a bar x plus 4a bar y. Okay. Okay. Now we have to find its projection on B bar. What is given? A vector G bar is given, and we have to find its projection on vector B bar. So this is vector G bar. Okay, and we have to find projection of vector G bar on vector B bar. Okay. On vector B bar. So this is angle theta. Now to find projection of vector, so consider this as point P and this as point Q, and this is nothing but the length of projection. Okay, this is the length of projection of vector G bar on vector B bar. Now what is the formula for scalar projection or length of projection? Projection or length of projection is given by that vector which you are projecting, right? The scalar projection or length of projection is a scalar quantity, and that is a dot product, right? So formula for that is any vector which you are projecting, that is G bar, and the unit vector in which direction you are projecting that vector. So we are projecting vector G bar on vector B bar, right? And unit vector in direction of B bar is given by A bar B, right? So formula for scalar projection is G bar dot A bar B. Now we already have this G bar, but we don't know A bar B unit vector. Then what is definition of A bar B? Any unit vector is equal to? Yes, anyone? Any unit vector is equal to, formula for unit vector, fast, answer fast. Formula for unit vector, any vector is equal to its magnitude into any vector is equal to, hello, what is formula for unit vector? Any vector is equal to magnitude into direction. Then how direction is given? Direction is equal to vector divided by its magnitude. Then what is formula for A bar B? Formula for A bar B. Yes, anyone?
B bar divided by magnitude.
B bar divided by magnitude of B bar. Right. In unit vector is equal to that vector divided by its magnitude. Now we have to find this B bar. Already B bar is given. We have to find magnitude of this B bar. Okay. So mod of B bar. Mod of B bar is equal to square root of, so what is B bar? B bar is 5 A bar x minus A bar y plus 2 A bar z. So B bar is equal to 5 square minus, plus minus 1 square plus 2 square. So 25 plus 4, 29 plus 1 is 30. Okay, square root of 30. So A bar B is equal to, A bar B is equal to vector B bar is 5 A bar x minus A bar y plus 2 A bar z divided by square root of 30. Okay. Now put values in this equation. Now we have to find scalar projection G bar dot A bar B. What is G bar? G bar is equal to 2 A bar x plus 4 A bar y dot this A bar B. A bar B is equal to 5 A bar x minus A bar y plus 2 A bar z divided by square root of 30. Now solve this. This is the dot product. So if there is dot product, it is a scalar quantity, right? So it is 2 into 5, that is 10 A bar x plus 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4 A bar y. Sorry, it is a scalar product, so there is no unit vector. So it is only 10, 2 into 5, 10, minus 4. 4 into 1 is minus 4, and there is no z coordinate, so it is plus 0 divided by root 30, and it is equal to 6 divided by root 30. So what is the answer?
1.09.
1.0956.
5.
Okay, 1.0956. ओके, सगळ्यांना समजलं एक्झाम्पल? हॅलो,
येस मॅम.
ओके, रिपीट करायची गरज आहे का?
नाही.
हा, yes, okay. So the question is, vector field G bar is given. Okay, this G bar is equal to y minus 1 into a bar x plus 2x into a bar y. Now this vector is given, but there is no simple magnitude. Vector is given in terms of coordinates. Okay, now we have to find this vector field at point P of 2, 3, 1. Now point P is given and P has 3 coordinates, and these 3 coordinates are nothing but x, y and z values. Okay, in Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, so x, y and z values are given, so put these values in equation of G bar. Okay, so G bar is equal to y is 3 minus 1 into a bar x plus 2 into x is equal to 2 into a bar y. So G bar is equal to 2 a bar x plus 4 a bar y. Okay, now the question asked is, we have to find its projection on B bar. Its projection means the vector G bar's projection on vector B bar. Okay, so this is vector G bar and its projection is given on vector B bar. Now its projection is considered PQ, and this projection is nothing but the length of projection, and length of projection is a scalar quantity. Okay, so it is called scalar projection. Now the formula for this projection is the vector which you are projecting, that is G bar, into unit vector in which direction you are projecting the first vector, that is vector G bar. Okay, so we are projecting this vector G bar in direction of vector B bar. Okay, that's why unit vector in direction of B bar is A bar B. Okay, and it is a dot product. So scalar projection or length of projection PQ is nothing but G bar dot A bar B. Okay. So we have to first find G bar we already found, but we have to find A bar B, unit vector A bar B. So unit vector is equal to vector divided by its magnitude. Okay, so A bar B is equal to B bar divided by mod of B bar. Now B bar is given, but we have to find magnitude of vector B bar. So mod of B bar is equal to square root of 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square. So mod of B bar is equal to root 30. Now A bar B is equal to B bar divided by mod of B bar. Now put vector B bar and write down value of mod of B bar. Okay, so that you will get A bar B. Now just put vector G bar and dot product with unit vector A bar B. So, and dot product is a scalar quantity. Okay, so 2 into 5 is 10 and 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 and plus Z term is 0 here, so 2 into 0 is 0 and divided by root 30. So it is 6 by root 30 is 1.0956. Okay, and this is the answer. Everyone understood? समजलंय का सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll see the cross product. याच्यामध्ये कुणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही ना? नक्की? ओके. एक एक्झाम्पल देऊ द्या का होमवर्कला?
हो मॅडम.
हा चालेल, घ्या एक्झाम्पल. मिनिट. We're done. The three vertices of a triangle are located at A of 6, -1 and 2, then B of -2, 3, -4 and C of -3, 1 and 5. Find A is RAB, B is RBC, sorry, RAC, then C is the angle theta BAC at vertex A and D is the vector projection of RAB AB on R bar AC. Okay. So this is also a simple example, only language is difficult. Actually, 3 points are given. You can convert these points in Cartesian coordinate system, that is in x, y and z term. Then you can find vectors here, AB, AC, and then find theta BAC. Okay. And to find theta BAC, again you use the dot product formula. Okay, we have already seen the example. The two separate examples are mixed here. Okay, and find the vector projection. To find vector projection, first you have to find the scalar projection and then again multiply by unit vector. Okay. So everyone noted example? झाले का लिहून?
हो झालं.
Okay. Can I erase?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'm clearing. Now we'll see the cross product. Okay. Okay, cross product. So cross product of any two vectors A bar and B bar is given by A bar cross B bar is equal to mod of A bar mod of B bar into sin theta into unit vector, normal unit vector is A bar n. Okay. So cross product is a vector product. Okay, it is also called a vector product. Dot product is called scalar product and cross product is also called vector product. As this is a vector product, it must be multiplied by unit vector, means it is a vector quantity. Okay. Now to give direction to this vector, it is multiplied by normal unit vector. Okay, means if two vectors are there, A bar and B bar, okay, then this normal unit vector A bar n is perpendicular to the plane of the two vectors. Okay, म्हणजे समजा ए बार आणि बी बार हे तुम्ही उभा राहिलाय त्या जमिनीवरती आहेत. ओके, आणि तुम्ही जे उभा राहिलाय ते म्हणजे कुठला वेक्टर झाला? नॉर्मल वेक्टर. ओके, दॅट इज कॉल्ड परपेंडिक्युलर वेक्टर. ओके, अँड magnitude of that vector is 1. Unit vector is considered 1. Okay. Now in dot product we have seen the dot product of unit vectors, that is A bar x dot A bar x, then A bar x dot A bar y, means from this theta, right? Like this we have to find the cross product of unit vectors here. So the next point is cross product of unit vectors. So for cross product, now tell me, if the two vectors A bar x and cross A bar x are given. Now these two vectors are in which direction? X, y or z? these two vectors are in x direction, right? So these two vectors are parallel to each other. If they are parallel to each other, then angle theta between these two vectors is equal to 0 degree, right? So if theta is equal to 0 degree, then what is sine 0? Sine 0 is equal to 0. So a bar cross b bar is equal to 0 at 0 degree. Okay, means if there are two same vectors, then their cross product is equal to 0. Here a bar x cross a bar x is equal to 0. Okay, now we'll see the cross product of different unit vectors, means a bar x cross a bar y. Okay, now if we are considering x and y, then there is 90-degree angle between x and y, right? In Cartesian coordinate system also. If the angle is 90 degree, what is sine 90? Sine 90 is equal to 1. Okay. If theta is equal to 90 degree, then sine 90 is equal to 1. Then a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar is equal to magnitudes of vectors a bar and b bar, that is a and b, and this sine 90 is equal to 1. So multiply by 1, that is nothing but a b, means there is only magnitude of the vectors. Okay, so if we consider this a bar cross b bar, then there will be only magnitude. Okay, only magnitude. But now in this formula, just see here. Here we are multiplying by unit vector, normal unit vector also. Now normal unit vector is also considered here. So how we can find the normal unit vector in x and y plane? So consider this is x, y plane. Okay, x direction, y direction, and unit vectors are a bar x and a bar y. Now, what is the normal vector, perpendicular vector to this plane?